Hello, my name is Dr. Lisa Vuich. I am the owner of Renew Medispa in Southern New Hampshire. I am both honored and humbled to have been asked to conduct a workshop at the upcoming A4M conference in Vegas this December 2018. What we're really excited to bring to you is a perspective really of combination therapy. We will be covering multi-modality approaches to sexual wellness in both men and women. We will be talking about cutting-edge procedures, not only platelet-rich plasma, but also radiofrequency in the treatment of this patient population. We will be speaking about shockwave therapy as part of combination therapy, and also about peptides, which is perhaps the newest frontier, the newest piece of the puzzle in combination therapy for many disorders, but certainly very applicable to sexual wellness. We will be speaking specifically to the peptides that can be used in this patient population, and not only which peptides, but dosing as well. How would you practically, functionally deliver appropriate doses and write the appropriate prescriptions in order to impact issues with sexual dysfunction in both men and women. This workshop is focused and dedicated to staying at the absolute forefront of the clinical side of what we can deliver to patients with issues around sexual wellness or interest in promoting sexual wellness, even preventatively. So I do hope I'll see you in Las Vegas this December at the A4M. I am very excited to be delivering this workshop to address combination therapy, peptides, PRP, radiofrequency, shockwave therapy, and more in the treatment of sexual wellness.